Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You'll start by confirming hardware and software. Make sure your AirPods are charged and your phone runs Android 9 or later. Once done, open Bluetooth and pair the AirPods. Tap Connect and accept any prompts. Next, go to Developer Options or Bluetooth Settings and prefer AAC if the option appears, because it reduces artifacts for spatial processing. Finally, install a Spatializer app from the Play Store. This app is what creates the HRTF-based spatial effect you'll tweak in the next step. You now configure the Spatializer app to target your AirPods. Open the app and grant any audio and accessibility permissions so the processing can run in real time. Once granted, select your AirPods as the output device, then choose binaural or HRTF mode. This is the core of spatial audio. Make sure sample rate is 44. 1 or 48 kHz to match most tracks, and enable headphone correction or virtualization. Also switch to a low-latency processing profile. Otherwise, the spatial cues will lag when you move your head. You finish by validating and fine-tuning. Play binaural test tracks or purpose-made spatial demos and listen for clear left-right separation and distance. If the scene feels narrow, widen the spatializer's width and increase depth slightly. For vocals, reduce reverb or center focus. Save separate profiles for music versus video so you don't reconfigure every time. If something breaks, repair the AirPods, switch between AAC and SBC. Restart the Spatializer app and reboot the phone. This single troubleshooting tip.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.